Network and connectivity is one of the greatest challenges organizations face when moving legacy applications and workloads to the cloud. Most of these legacy applications are not designed for a network paradigm such as the web. They're designed for running in the local office environment where the application processing is done close to the user base that is accessing the application or the data. So the apps were originally designed to provide robust response time to the users, whether it's responding to a query or accessing file shares or data to them in a local-like fashion. And when these are moved to the cloud or another remote location, it's often a different way that the application will perform unless there's specific steps used to alleviate or at least minimize that from the equation. So at Xtium we utilize a variety of best practices and technologies to reduce the impact of latency. Latency is really the issue here. A lot of companies look at bandwidth and try to solve this through bandwidth. There's too much congestion or they need more speed. And that's sort of like saying to get between Philadelphia and Chicago, we're going to make that trip quicker for you by making the highway wider, which is really what bandwidth does. But making the highway wider doesn't really impact how quickly a single car can get from here to Chicago. It's simply more cars can get across. And that's bandwidth. The latency is how long it actually physically takes one thing to get there. That's typically what impacts the user experience the most. So we utilize these technologies and best practices to really put together a solution which minimizes any impact of the latency and really provides a local-like user experience while still enabling all the functionality and benefit of having something in the cloud.